Everyone, Excel Tuition welcomes you, and today we are going to solve some MCQs on Hitler's rise to power. Question number 1. Adolf Hitler was born in dash A 1888, B 1889 and C 1890. The correct answer is B 1889. Second question. Adolf Hitler was born at A. Austria, B. Germany, C. Italy. And the correct answer is B. Germany. The third question is, in 1919, Hitler joined a small group called Dash. A. German People's Party, B. German Labour Party and C. German Workers' Party. And the answer is C. German Workers' Party. Fourth, the German Workers' Party was known as Dash. A. Nazi Party, B. Fascist Party and C. Democratic Party. The answer is A. Nazi Party. Fifth, on 30th January 1930, President Hindenburg offered the chancellorship to Dash. A. Adolf Hitler, B. Benito Mussolini and C. Mazzini. A. And the answer is A. Adolf Hitler. Question number 6. The Enabling Act established dictatorship in dash. A. Russia, B. Germany and C. France. And the correct option is A. Russia. Question number 7. The Germany pulled out of the League of Nations in dash. A. 1920, B. 1929 and C. 1933. The correct answer is C. 1939. Question number 8. Chalmers Chet was a dash. A mathematician, B. Scientist or C. Economist. The correct answer is C. Economist. 9th question. Germany invaded Poland in dash. A. 1938, B. 1939, C. 1940. And the correct answer is B. 1939. Question number 10. In 1940, the Tripartite Pact was signed by Germany, Italy and dash. A. Japan, B. USA, C. Austria. The answer is A. Japan. 11. In June 1941, Germany attacked dash. A. England, B. Soviet Union, C. France. And the correct answer is B. Soviet Union. Question number 12. The Soviet Red Army defeated Germany at dash. A. Stalingrad, B. Leningrad or C. Moscow. The answer is A. Stalingrad. Question number 13. The Second World War ended in 1945 with the defeat of dash. A. Germany, B. Russia or C. America. The answer is A. Germany. Question number 14. The USA dropped an atom bomb on Hiroshima in dash. A. India, B. Nepal, C. Japan. The answer is C. Japan. Question number 15. The National Socialist German Workers' Party came to be known as dash. A. Nazi Party, B. Fascist Party, C. Communist Party. And the answer is A. Nazi Party. Question number 16. Where was Hitler born? A. Austria, B. Italy, C. Germany. And the answer is A. Austria. What made Hitler furious after Germany's defeat in the First World War? A. Vienna Treaty, B. Treaty of Constantinople, C. Treaty of Versailles. And the answer is C. Treaty of Versailles. 18. Which party in Germany came to be known as the Nazi Party? A. German Workers' Party, B. The Nationalist Socialist German Workers' Party and C. The Communist Party. And the correct option is B. The Nationalist Socialist German Workers' Party. Question number 19. When did President Hindenburg offer the chancellorship to the Hitler? A. 10th January 1933, 20th January 1933, C. 30th January 1933. And the correct option is C. 30th January 1933. Question number 20. Which act established dictatorship in Germany in 1933? A. The Enabling Act, B. The Rowlatt Act, C. The Stamp Act. And the answer is A. The Enabling Act. 21. What was the cause of Second World War? A. The invasion of the Poland, B. The attack on a ship, or C. The conquering Czechoslovakia. And the answer is A. The invasion of Poland. Thank you guys. Bye.